How to install security camera for the home. How to install a security camera for the home is one that should be determined before purchase is made. This is because of its many implications on the prime purpose of acquiring the gadget, which is safety. Because security cameras come in different sizes and technological designs, their installation process cannot be treated uniformly. Whereas some modern portable security devices can be installed by the homeowner, other sophisticated devices may require the service of a professional. There are implications in installing the security camera of your home either personally or through a professional. In this video, we shall consider several issues on how to install security cameras for the home. This is to help you make a well-informed decision in that regard. What you desire is good security for your home. Let's begin the discourse. Defining the purpose of installing a surveillance camera in your home. People have different reasons for installing security cameras in their homes. For some, it is to scare away intruders and trespassers. For others, it may just be to monitor their home vicinity or the goings-on within the household. The purpose of the security camera in your home will determine how it is to be installed. Choosing between professional and self-installation. Because of cellular technology that has been adopted for security systems, it has become easier to install security devices without using professionals. Installing your security system either with the help of a professional or personally comes with consequences. We will look at the issues involved in installing your security device through a professional and/or doing it personally. First, let's begin with professional installation. Using a professional for the installation of your security system gives some level of confidence and certainty that it will be well executed. This means that the professional will handle the entire process. Your concern is to get a guarantee that the job is duly delivered as agreed. It is the duty of the professional to make all decisions regarding the installation in line with your brief. This saves you the trouble of dabbling into areas you are not knowledgeable about and doing a haphazard job. If a professional handle your installation, you will need to consult him at regular intervals. You also have to pay a professional fee and possibly a consultation or maintenance fee depending on your contractual agreement. There are home security cameras that will necessarily need to be installed by a professional. This is because of their technical sophistication and complexity. Installation of your home security camera by a professional ensures expertise in your installation. For a do-it-yourself installation, you would do the installation of the security system for your home by yourself. You may opt to install your security system by yourself if you don't need to drill holes and do some wiring. For some security devices, all you may require is just to fix items with an adhesive material or simple fasteners. Depending on the model and type of security camera you own, you may equally need to plug items to your electrical sockets. Or set up the security device via the internet or your smartphone. You can easily dismantle and reinstall your security device if you are moving to another location. Portable and simple home security cameras fall within this category. You do not incur fees for installing your system by yourself, but the job of monitoring its performance remains yours. Do you want indoor or outdoor installation? The installation of your home security camera can be done either indoor or outdoor. The placement would depend on the major security concern you intend to address. It is important that every precautionary measure is taken to preserve the life of a security camera placed outdoors. This is because it is exposed to the elements and may be a subject of vandalism by criminals. Let's go through what materials you'd need to install a security camera in your home. To install a home security camera, there are basic materials that are required. These materials, in addition to any other accessories that come specifically with any particular brand. The typical material needed for your home security camera installation are a cable of 60 feet, screw, and anchors. You will also need a receiver and power adapter. You will equally need the usual household tools like the screwdrivers and drills. A ladder for climbing is important as you install the security camera and make necessary adjustments to your installation. How do you decide where to position the camera for optimum field of view? It's crucial you decide on the specific part of your house you want to give complete monitoring. Having done that, it will be absolutely necessary to strategize on how you intend to achieve that in installing your security camera. Consider the following. It is usually advisable to mount your home security camera at a reasonable height where it will be safe and secured. A height of between 8 to 10 feet from ground level would be ideal. At this height, the camera can capture clearly visible details of events in your surroundings. That height is however high enough not to be easily tampered with by thieves or vandals. Your security camera needs to be protected from weather conditions that are not favorable. Most high-quality security cameras for outdoor installation have good weather as well as waterproofing features. These features were installed in the camera having taken various weather conditions into consideration. Since security cameras are rated by regions and climates, it will be proper to confirm your choice is appropriate for your region's weather conditions. It is good to have your security camera sheltered from the elements in a way that the camera focus is not obstructed. The lens of your home security camera should be shielded away from the direct ray of light in the sun. This is because glowing or shiny light makes a fixed gaze on the camera footage difficult and the footage recording blurred. With such positioning, you are not likely to get a clear viewing or recording of events around the home. It's also important to decide if you want your security camera placed where it will be visible or concealed. If your security camera is visible, it could effectively ward off burglars and petty thieves. Exposing the camera could also make it a target for vandalism by hardened or determined criminals. Most people usually install a dummy or fake camera to remove the attention of criminals from looking out for the real ones. Some cameras are left visible but heavily fortified with casing or other hardware that will make damaging it difficult. It is important that the security camera cables are properly concealed to prevent them from being tampered with. This can be done by using conduit pipes or tucking them into part of the building so they won't be obvious. For indoor placement of your security camera, corners or angles in a room are most ideal. Let your choice be an elevated, wide angle for the camera. The best possible angle of a room usually looks downward from the angle where the ceiling of the roof meets with the walls. When the camera is hung in such locations, it gives you the best vantage point possible in the room. The camera should be able to clearly capture all the entries as well as exits in the apartment. To point your security camera through the window will greatly affect the quality of the image it will produce. This is because the window can be reflective at times, hence resulting in confusing images in your camera recording. Most security cameras function on infrared light technology, which helps detection of movement with sparse lighting. This technology also enables the security cameras to function in low visibility. The infralight is most likely to reflect off the windows or any glass objects around, obscuring the footage of the security camera. For the indoor installation of your security camera, it is important that bright windows, light fixtures, and lamps are not facing the security camera directly. This will affect the quality of your camera's footage. In part 2 of this video, we will go into detail on the procedure of installing various models of the home security camera. We will also attempt to look at both the analog, digital, wireless as well as the wire-free camera models. Thanks for taking the time to watch this video. Stay tuned for part 2. Remember to click the subscribe button, also turn on the notification icon. That way you're the first to know once we post a new video. On our website, www.zimhomesecurity.com, we have more impressive home security content like this.